Hello art friends.
Hi art friends! We are here with a new art video. I'm Steph, this is Adam. He's behind the camera, but take my word for it.
I'm here, don't worry, I'm here.
TikTok! We're going to be following along with a TikTok art trend, and I'm gonna try and film a TikTok video for our TikTok. I really don't understand what I'm doing.
But basically what the challenge is,
we can insert it!
Yeah, we'll put it on screen here. Basically what it is you spin these two wheels, you get an animal, you get a fruit, you smush them together, and then you've got yourself some kind of animal fruit character design thing.
And because in the past we've done a bunch of Vegemals, which I think it was mostly on live streams we were doing those, so I'll link some examples to those above. We thought this seemed up our alley. Yeah,
I'm excited but also terrified because there's some weird fruits in it and there's also some animals that I don't enjoy drawing.
I'm most excited about this random wheel aspect, so I think we should just jump into it.
Okay, first wheel is the fruit and vegetable wheel. I hope you like it, honey.
You first.
Oh no, are you serious? Mm-hmm. Alright, so this is my spin. Here we go. Oh god, look at, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, it's a lemon. That's not so bad. Lemon. Alright, now lemon's not so bad, but what is the animal gonna be? So I need to do a lemon themed. Oh god. Here we go, hun, spinning the wheel. Oh no, yes! No!
A lemon horse, how do you feel about this?
Oh, really bad. A lemon horse, okay.
Who's excited to draw a lemon horse?
Not me! I swear, if it was, the only other worst one I think I could have got was monkey. If I got monkey, I would have had a meltdown. I feel
whatever the thing is that I have to draw is going to be irrelevant. The pressure of making a TikTok video is the most challenging part of this video.
Is this the biggest challenge of your life yet?
I think it is. This is the biggest art challenge yet.
Okay, so, this doesn't look like a horse so far. This looks... oh no.
As long as it's a lemon horse, you're good.
I know, but I want to do a good job. I want it to be a cute looking lemon horse. If we're gonna do it, we're gonna do a good job. That's my opinion on it. Obviously the lemon is gonna be the body. That's what I want it to be. And I might obviously make him yellow, because that'd be quite cute, I think. He's like one of those, what are they called? Micro ponies? I don't know. I don't know what they're called. Micro pony horse thingy. Oh god, I just realized this is a weird looking butt at the end. That's not very nice, but...
That's what lemons do, that cannot be helped.
We'll draw some kind of little tail thing at the end, and he can have a mane too. Why not? He's like a fuzzy lemon. He's a lemon that's been left out for a while. He's gonna be fuzzy. Give him a really big face, and he's happy. He's a freak of nature, but he's happy and he's here.
The mane at the top could be the leaf of the lemon.
Ooh! Oh, thank God you're here. I swear to God. Right? Thank God for Steph.
I say this every day.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea, honey. Let's do that. So I'll bring that up. And we can have this as a sort of stem. Like this, watch. Then we can go. Oh, he's gorgeous. Ooh, hey, you know what? That's not too bad. I wouldn't say it's necessarily pale, but it's very lemony.
Saying the Ohuhu ones aren't really pale.
But in terms of getting it to look like a lemon, we might be onto something here, honey.
There's some other pastel markers that are for sale, and I'm kind of curious to get hold of some of those and compare them to these.
Yeah, one thing guys, let me know if you guys have ever tried Artex markers as well.
Yeah, because I keep hearing things about those, and they've got a really aesthetic box of pastels that have come out.
Exactly, yeah. And if you guys want us to try them out, you gotta let us know. We can only get hold of them if you guys want to see it. You were right though. This is the perfect, look at this. This is the perfect lemon yellow for this little lemon I'm gonna call him Lors.
Lors.
My name is Lors.
Now it's time to put the cherry on the cake.
or the horseradish on the horse?
Exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
You should have seen, obviously you couldn't see it. She came running over to see this moment.
Oh my gosh, I'm so ready for this.
Are you ready, hon?
Uh-huh.
Here we go.
Make it good. Oh yeah, that's horseradish, alright.
Look at that. It was fate. Maybe that's why I got horse to begin with. It knew that you would discover horseradish in those markers. Look at that.
Okay, I'm gonna spin my animal.
Spin it. What is it? Oh, you can go on, monkey. Oh,
Wolves are so hard to draw. Okay, part 2. Which fruit and veggie am I gonna get?
come on, aubergine. Ooh. Is it an apple? Oh, that's really cute.
An apple. Apple wolf. Okay, so I might do some little thumbnails to get an idea of what it is that I want to do.
Just like, it was a wolf and a lemon, right?
Wolf and an apple. You got a lemon.
Oh my god.
Okay, so this is like an apple. Wolf, something like this. Pointy nose. Eyes.
Wow, I can recognise it already. We're getting a nice bit of frog hat in the camera.
Oh no!
No, it's cool. We can still see. We can still see it, but oh my god, it's so weird seeing your head get in like a camera frame instead of mine.
This is looking maybe a bit more like a squirrel.
No, it needs to be a wolf.
But it's just a sketch at this point.
And that's true. No, that's true.
Maybe it's because the tail, I've put it like too high up.
Yeah, wolf tails tend to sag a little bit.
Okay, let's give them a bit more of like a...
Do wolves wag their tails like dogs?
I presume so, but I've never seen like a wagging wolf.
A wagging wolf. A wagging wolf? A wagging wolf.
So I think this... I've got the essence of apple over here.
Well, so far you've drawn an apple and a wolf.
Over here. And I think the way that I'm probably going to get round it is by one, leaning into the apple more than the wolf.
You can make him so round.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That'd be really cool. See that? I've got a confession. I did that with the horse because, I mean, very few people enjoy and are good at drawing horses, and I am neither of those things. So I just whacked a horse head and legs on a lemon.
At least an apple's a fairly basic fruit. I'm glad it wasn't a super complicated one.
We'll have to, guys. Let us know if you want us to do this again at some point. I want Steph to get the eggplant.
Eggplant.
Eggplant monkey. Can you imagine?
Maybe my issue is that I'm getting the ears too close together, and that's also making it look quite squirrely. So one ear here, maybe one.
And wolves have like really fleshy heads. Like sometimes they're at the top of the
heads.
head. I know that doesn't sound very nice, but sometimes the ears are at the top of the head. Sometimes they're literally at the sides. Like they can wiggle their ears around like all over the place. Oh, it's looking cute so far. I love the round shape. It's such a big round boy.
Yeah, the roundness I feel like is throwing it off because wolves are normally very like athletic looking. Oh, and I went to the hospital recently. I'm still waiting up on like results and follow-up or whatever.
It's to have your wrist looked at, wasn't
yeah,
it?
and the doctor looked at my wrists and he went, "You don't have little sausage fingers," and I was very pleased to hear that.
I was in the corner fuming because I have sausage fingers. I was like, what's that supposed to mean? Not like him over there. But hopefully it's going good. He gave Steph like a real thorough like physio thing. He tested her reflexes, you know, the whole thing.
My wrist was so sore afterwards.
He gave it a right jabbing. But afterwards, hopefully in a week, we'll hear back. And I mean, at this point, anything is good for Steph and her little wrist, because as you've probably noticed in the videos we've been doing recently, she's had this brace on pretty much all the time because she needs it when she's drawing. And
they're gonna try and investigate into my tremor as well, so fingers crossed. I mean, I've read into like tremor stuff before, and there's been a lot of information about how like there's not really a lot that they can do for it, but fingers crossed, even if there's just something that will mildly help.
Yeah, we like helping you out.
Because if you've noticed, my sketch lines are a bit divery because I diver around a lot.
Oh, but that's what we love about you, dear. Your art style's unique, and
I'm Devery.
I just like to think you're very excited.
Does this look like a wolf? Granted, the tail's kind of, unless I tilted him more like this way, but that'd look, no, it'd look too much like a butt if I had, you know, like this part of the apple. If I tilted it this way. And then I had the tail coming out and then the wolf's head over
Don't
here.
wolf have like longer snoot?
I like his snout. He's got a big snout.
I love that. It's like, does this look like this? Let me help you. No, you're wrong. It's perfect how it is. I know, I do like it.
Okay, I'm gonna have a go at inking this because I think this might be as good as it's getting. I feel like I've drawn mine so that it could be like a friend of Lemon Horse.
So if it's a wolf and an apple, it'd be like Wapple.
I've come up with an idea already.
Oh, you've come up with a name?
Okay, yeah. Apple
Yeah.
plus wolf can be Alf.
Alf and Lors. They sound like two friendly little Swedish friends. Alf and Lors.
Oh no, I've accidentally drawn one of his ears a bit like a pig ear instead of like a wolf ear.
He's literally made of apples. I think, you know, he doesn't have to be photorealistic, hon.
So I'm using the lemon chiffon that you were using.
I love how we say chiffon. It makes me feel very fancy.
Oh, I want my wolf reference back up, just so. Okay.
I'm coming over, I want to have a look at this.
Because wolves are a bit like huskies, I want to try and get sort of like those husky markings in up here. I want to try and do like a two-tone colour for this.
Ooh!
You know, because the apples can be sort of like
green and red.
Yeah, so I've picked out like a few different colours for it. God, we probably picked like the hardest animals.
I think eggplant monkey is definitely up there.
No, I think monkey would have been like easier to draw for me.
You reckon?
Yeah, wolves and horses I feel like are some of the most difficult.
Well, it's good that we've like pushed ourselves, like, because I would not have drawn a horse like ever.
Comment down below with what animal you'd find like most difficult to draw, or like what fruit or vegetable.
I want to see eggplant monkey at the top of
Yeah, this is light prawn because this is the closest thing to a red we've got in this colour set.
Light prawn, I remember doing that one.
Last time we were using this set to colour in like a tomato, and this time we're using it to colour in a red apple.
Well, it's certainly getting its use. I'll give it that.
It's not getting much use as a pink, but
Yours could totally pass as like a Pokemon because of that Applin.
oh yeah, Applin. I like him.
Oh, I like that. It looks like you've given him like a widow's peak.
Yeah, because they kind of have those.
Well, this turned out to be unexpectedly wholesome.
Oh my gosh, TikTok, how do you guys do it? Mind officially blown. Can you have like my head blowing up?
Oh my god, wow.
Speaking of mind blown, did you know that we have some comics which you can get in the linkies down below?
They're on Amazon too. You can get them in like next day. That's pretty good.
Follow our TikTok too.
Follow our cursed TikTok adventure. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle Day.
Doodle Day.
Bye now.